Hello, this is a car work garage. I'm going to work today on this 2006 GMC Savana. And today I replaced the brake line, and also I replaced the upper ball joint, and now I'm going to replace the all 4 calipers and bleed the complete system. It's right here, the new calipers. Okay, to replace this caliper, this one is 11, and also we have 2 bolts, number 18. And the new caliper is only 2 bolts. It's this one and this one, and also you need to lose these 2 bolts for the caliper to install the brake pads. Okay, and I'm going to replace the rear caliper, and after that I'm going to bleed the complete system. This is 18. This is the caliper, the rear caliper. To replace it, it's only 2 bolts, 18. They go right here, here, and here. 2006 GMC Savana. Now I'm going to bleed the complete system, and you can use like this cap with this little hose. Your number 10, you lose just the screw to bleed, and always you need to do rear on the passenger side, after that rear driver side, after that front passenger side, and to finish with the driver's front. And always check your level of the fluid, and you just push your pedal to bleed. And you do this step each tire. Always rear on the passenger side, after that rear driver side, after that front passenger side, and to finish with the driver's side on the front. And also on this GMC Savana, you need to bleed the ABS pump with a scanner. You need to have a scanner OBD2 to bleed this bend. I'm going to bleed the ABS pump on this 2006 GMC Savana. You need to have a scanner to do this ABS pump bleed. And you go to maintenance, you go to ABS service, and GM, and I'm going to do selection, and this one is 2006. And it's light duty truck, GMC truck, and Savana. And the number 2, the Express Savana Pro. Okay. And right now it's the automatic bleed. The only thing I need to do is put OK, and the scanner is going to tell me like push the pedal to the floor and hold it, and it's going to do the bleed of the ABS pump. But right now I'm not going to do it because it's already done on this Savana. It's only to show you like you need to have a scanner to bleed this ABS pump on this Savana.